The 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross enters the scene as a compact crossover that blurs the line between practicality and style. It's small enough to slip through tight city streets yet tall enough to command the road like a true SUV. There's a quiet confidence in its design: muscular lines, sharp LED lights, a bold front grille, and the kind of stance that makes you forget it's based on a humble hatchback. Toyota designed this car for a new generation of drivers who want efficiency, comfort, and just enough flair to stand out in the crowd. The moment you open the door, the cabin greets you with simplicity and sophistication. Every switch and surface feels crafted for daily comfort. The driving position sits a little higher than most hatchbacks, giving you that SUV-like command of the road while still feeling compact and agile. The interior is modern and clean, with a wide digital display, wireless connectivity, and a crisp infotainment screen that brings everything you need within easy reach. Soft materials on key touchpoints and a well-padded armrest make long drives feel easy. Beneath the hood, the Yaris Cross relies on Toyota's proven hybrid technology. A 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine works seamlessly with an electric motor to deliver around 114 horsepower. It's not a number that screams excitement, but what it does offer is refinement, smoothness, and incredible fuel efficiency, averaging under 4 liters per 100 kilometers. The electric motor helps with instant torque, so every city start feels quick and light. In traffic, the car quietly switches between electric and petrol power, barely noticeable unless you're watching the energy flow on the screen. Out on the highway, the petrol engine hums steadily, confident enough for long journeys while keeping fuel use low. The hybrid system is designed to keep you moving efficiently, but it's the refinement that stands out. Sound insulation is much improved, the suspension absorbs rough surfaces with grace, and even the engine note feels more polished. Steering feels light yet accurate, making every maneuver simple and stress-free. For those living in dense urban areas, the Yaris Cross's compact footprint is a blessing. Parking becomes effortless, yet the raised ride height and 210 mm of ground clearance allow it to handle rougher roads or sudden puddles without hesitation. The Yaris Cross also shows Toyota's dedication to safety. It comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense technology, pre-collision systems, lane tracing assist, adaptive cruise control, and road sign recognition, the kind of features that you'd normally expect in larger, more expensive vehicles. In crash testing, it scored an impressive 5 stars under the ASEAN NCAP rating, proving that compact doesn't mean compromised. Every journey feels secure, whether it's a quick errand across town or a long highway run. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. The rear seats fold down easily to expand cargo space, making it practical enough for luggage, shopping, or weekend gear. The trunk may not be huge compared to bigger SUVs, but it's smartly designed with a flat floor and hidden compartments. The air conditioning is efficient, the seats provide good support, and the overall cabin ambiance feels upscale for its size. On the road, the Yaris Cross moves with quiet confidence. It isn't built for aggressive driving, but rather for those who value balance. The hybrid system rewards smooth drivers, gentle inputs are met with silky progress, and the transition between electric and petrol power feels seamless. For urban commuters, this car feels tailor-made, quiet, efficient, and nimble. The visibility is excellent, and the light steering means you can thread through narrow lanes with ease. Even in traffic jams, there's something calming about the way it glides forward silently on electric power. Toyota's reliability and hybrid expertise are the Yaris Cross's strongest cards. Maintenance is straightforward, the hybrid battery is backed by solid warranties, and Toyota's service network remains one of the most trusted in the world. This is the kind of car you buy once and keep for years, knowing it'll take care of you as long as you take care of it. Of course, it's not perfect. Enthusiasts might find it underpowered, and those who need large cargo capacity might wish